I am writing this to say goodbye to my addiction. I am turning my energy towards connection. I am developing new coping skills every day. I am listening to my heart in every way. The ways of my past will remain in my past. I am making new memories that now will last. My life in the past was a huge dark hole, and now my life is fabulous and being made whole. And now in many new different ways I see the light, but no longer do I have to spend days in the dark night. My life is now getting so much better day by day. My new memories are with me now forever to stay. I am now not afraid of life anymore. I now feel so free sitting on the seashore, drifting into happiness all the way. I just have to live life day by day.